Did you know the dollar store has a large selection of garden supplies? And that's where I found exactly what I needed for my next DIY project. I love the look of Venetian plaster pots, but I didn't like the fact that they were, 1, very heavy, and 2, cost a lot. If you've ever looked at the Venetian pots, they have raised decorations on them. To achieve that, I used paper clay and silicone molds. Once the clay was dried, I hot glued it to my pot. So you'll notice when I started this project, my pot was green, and now as I'm applying the joint compound, it's not green anymore. Well, truth be told, I spray painted the pot with a textured spray paint, and the green peeled right off. So I just peeled the rest of the green off the pot and applied the joint compound. I had the joint compound on hand, and I just smoothed it over the pot like I was icing a cake with my hand. Once the joint compound was dry, I painted the pot using a dry brush technique. This is simply achieved by dipping your paintbrush into a little bit of paint and quickly painting the surface of your pot, and then anything that is raised will be highlighted with the paint. For more depth of color, I added a mossy green using a cloth, just blotting it lightly on the pot, and then some burnt umber for one more layer of color. I really love the way the pot turned out, and it was so easy to make this pot look exactly the way I wanted. I hope this inspires you to try your hand at some faux Venetian plaster. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. To never miss a Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.